Welcome to Zero Junk Removal. If you're facing a home cleanout, whether it's for a renovation, a move, or just clearing out years of accumulated items, we're here to make it easy for you. Our professional team handles everything from start to finish, ensuring your space is left clean, clutter-free, and ready for whatever's next. We understand that home cleanouts can be overwhelming, which is why we're dedicated to providing a smooth, stress-free process that fits your timeline and needs. At Zero Junk Removal, we specialize in complete home cleanouts, big or small. Whether you're clearing out a single room or tackling an entire estate, we've got you covered. From furniture and appliances to boxes of old paperwork, clothes, and miscellaneous items, our team is equipped to handle it all. We also ensure that your unwanted items are either donated, recycled, or disposed of responsibly, so you can feel good about keeping waste out of landfills. Our goal is to leave your home looking pristine and organized, all while minimizing the environmental impact. What sets Zero Junk Removal apart is our commitment to making your home cleanout as easy and efficient as possible. Our fully licensed and insured team works quickly, but carefully, to ensure a job well done. We handle the heavy lifting, sorting, and disposal, so you don't have to lift a finger. Whether you're moving out, decluttering, or simply need some extra space, we're here to help with fast, reliable, and responsible cleanout services that give you peace of mind. Let Zero Junk Removal handle the mess, so you can enjoy a fresh, clean space in no time.